What's up, people? Welcome to the channel. I've been getting a few questions about the graphics on the Marvel Pinball. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post videos of each game board, and I'm going to do close-ups of the graphics just so you guys get a better idea of what the graphics look like. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. If you like what I'm doing, hit that subscription button. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so that's a quick video of the graphics. Let me know what you guys think about the graphics. Are they good? Could they be better? You guys like them? Don't like them? Put it in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think. I'll upload more of the boards later on. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, hit that like button. And don't forget to hit the subscription button so you get notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.